If you woke up this morning thinking to yourself, man, there really is a lack of paper towel holder install in a van videos here on YouTube, then today is your lucky day. Today, I'm installing a paper towel holder in my van. I was thinking about 3 spots to put this on. This would have been a good spot, but I want to put a fire extinguisher here. I have the fire extinguisher, it's under my seat, but I'm going to put the fire extinguisher here. I was liking this spot right here, but I'm going to go with this spot. I think this is the best spot, and I'll tell you why later. And then there's a little dirt spot right here, so when the paper towels are up, this dirt spot will be covered. So I'm going to move it over this way, and I'll still have access to this hook right here. Cleaned up that dirt spot, but now this area is lighter than the rest of the headliner. I might just have to wipe up the whole headliner now. So here's the 2 holes right here. Took me 5 seconds. Let's go ahead and bolt it in. No adhesive. Here's the hardware it came with. It came with this long screw right here with a spacer, so you could put a little cap to make the install neat. That's a good idea. So this is going to be too long for the bottom hole, so I'm going to use the shorter screw right here. And there it is right there. Just put the last cap on here. There you go. Looks clean. Paper towel holder in a van. Should be good. Check it out. The first ever paper towel cam. Will they stay in place? I got a turn right here, and I have an excuse to accelerate because no one's letting me in. So here we go. I'm gonna gun it right here, right now. And they stayed in place. Sharp turn, accelerate out of the corner. So what good is your precious paper towels if they don't stay in place? So there it is right there. Paper towels stayed in place. I like washing my hands, so I use a lot of paper towels. So when I'm on the road, if I eat something while I'm driving, the next time I pull over, I'll just wash my hands. And the cool thing about a van is you can wash your hands in a van. So I'll have like rinse water, and then I'll just wash my hands like this. And then it goes in the gap where you step. That's where the water goes, because vans have a gap. And then now I have my paper towels right above me. So there you go. And then I don't just throw my paper towels away. Like, I'll save them, and I'll clean the chrome on my rims with them. You know, where I dried my hands, I'll use this to wipe off my rims. So that's why I have paper towels with me. There it is. Paper towel holder in my van. Tucked it into the trim a little bit so it won't unravel as I drive. Gives my van more of that wannabe RV look. Here's a better look at the gap that I was talking about. It's just not a flat load floor. There's actually a dip that goes down. So I'll always bring like 2 or 3 rinse water bottles with me, and then some drinking water. You could fit a bunch of water on the side here. Freezer, I'll keep some water in there. So when I wash my hands in here, it just drains out of the side. So really cool to be able to wash your hands in your van. Side futon sofa bed. I always like this orientation. Reminds me of small RVs like Chinooks. And then here's my paper towels. I always have a bunch of paper towels with me. So the reason why I wanted this was because I'll just put my paper towels under the seat, or I'll put them on top of the seat, and then when I turn, if I had just washed my hands, they'll roll into this gap and then they'll get all wet. I always use my paper towels twice, so I'll just save the paper towels I dry my hands with, and I'll polish up my rims, polish up the chrome trim. So there you go, paper towel holder. So now I have more of a wannabe RV look for my van.